How to deny Facebook access to photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Scroll down and go to Photos. Photos may contain data associated with location, depth information, captions and audio. Over here, you can view all the apps and whether they have access to photos or not. Tap on the app you want to remove access from. For example, Facebook. As you can see, Facebook has full access to photos. If you want to deny access, then tap on None. Facebook no longer has access to your photos. You can repeat this to deny photos access for the other apps as well. Following these steps, you can easily deny Facebook access to photos on iPhone.